Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna see how to make $100 by just copy and pasting simple words, guys, in online. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? In this video, all about how to make money $100. You can just copy and paste, guys. It's copy and paste job, and it's available worldwide, guys. No matter where you're from, and it's PayPal money, guys, and it's also legitimate way to make money, guys. Without any further ado, let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, this is Online Business Entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find make money online tips and Instagram tips and YouTube tips, all of the money making stuff, guys. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, the first and the most website we're gonna see is you can make $100 by just copy paste, guys. That website is called Listverse, guys. You probably heard of or not, guys. This is the Listverse. You can see, guys, this is some of the top 10 list, guys. 8 problem math solved for us, and this is the category, guys: bizarre, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, society, and more, guys. There is its website is like a top 10, guys. You can upload a top 10 and get paid, guys, like a YouTube top 10 compilation, top 10 buildings in the world, like, guys. You see, guys, 8 problem. It's like a top 10, guys. You can upload bizarre, creepy, mysterious, weird stuff, and entertainment, guys: music, games, movies, and TV, pop culture, the arts, something like that, guys. There are people who are making good amount of money, guys. You can make $100 over and over again, guys. You can make $1,000 a day, guys. It's easy money, guys. You can make just a copy and paste, guys, and I show how you can copy and paste, guys, and it's available worldwide, guys. You just go this website and copy and paste, guys. Just a simple method. You can make $100, guys, and I show how it's work, guys. This is a simple website for introduction, guys. This is listverse.com, that where you can upload or find some of the top 10 ideas or niche, guys. Just 8 problem, top 10 incredible, like top 10 buildings in the world, top 10 house in the world, something like that, guys. And all the way you scroll down, guys, there is some option, guys. The some option is write and get paid, guys. Click write and get paid. You can get paid up to $100, guys, per just article, guys. I show you how to get an article and how you can make good amount of money with this, guys. And you just copy paste, guys. Just to copy from another website, you can just paste here, guys. And I show little trick you can get without any copyright issue, guys. I show you can easily just copy paste and change a little bit and make some good amount of money with this, guys. You already see, guys, get paid $100, guys, and you can also eligible to win $1,000, guys. If you put an article, it's approved by Listverse, you can earn $10, guys, easily, guys, and it's you can eligible to see $1,000, guys. It's a monthly price, guys. Once you put at least 2 or 3 articles per day, it's maybe high, guys, maybe one article per day, you can eligible easily $1,000 contest, guys. Your chance is high, you can get $1,000 too, guys. And you can also get paid $100, guys, for your every upload list first has approved, guys. Just $100, guys, is directly sent to your PayPal account, guys, and I show you how to use send your list and get paid easily, guys. This is the rules, guys. Just 7 section, guys. Just you put just top 10, guys. You no need to put any images, guys. Just to put top 10 listers and get paid, guys. It's easy, guys. Come out this website and read all of the terms and condition, guys. If I read, this is maybe go like a 20 minutes video, guys. I don't want that, so come out this website and read all of the terms and condition once, guys. Then you can start writing, guys, and it is work. You can write 10 items, guys, as I told earlier. And if you are approved by Listverse, they can send you, guys, great, will publish it, guys, and send you $100 by PayPal, guys. If you have don't have an account, just make one, guys. It's easy, guys. It's free, absolutely. It's available worldwide, guys, PayPal account. And you can additionally eligible to win $1,000, guys, easily, guys. It's just easy money, guys. Just if you want how to submit, just to click come out this submit a list, guys. It's easily, guys. Click a submit a link, it's automatically take you to a this page, guys. Payment via $100 per list, guys. Just to put your name, guys, full name and email address and PayPal email address. As guys, every video I told you just to put PayPal email as a primary email guys. Put your PayPal email here and put your PayPal email here guys. Just to put a same email guys, because there is no confusion for listeners to send which money to where guys. It's easy guys. And put your a little bit about your author bulb guys, and this is you can top 10 list guys. Just to put your list title and description about your list guys, like this guy guys, 10 killers who got off on technicalities guys. Just to put your title is clickbait guys. This website is almost a clickbait guys. Just to put your title as clickbait guys, and I show you how you can get tons of articles and you can make tons of money with this guys. And put your clear description about your list guys, and put entire list guys, and you can at least 2200 2200 words guys in this list. You must have that guys, then only they can approve you guys to make $100 guys easily. Just click I agree and submit your list guys. Easy money guys. It's automatically sent you to this. Once you get reply from this verse, you can get easily $100 guys. And you can may ask, it's not legible, people are making not fake money, people are making good amount of fake money, you can fake me, you can scam me, I mean you can tell guys. But I show you this proof guys. This is the website or article, people are making good amount of money guys, $100 via PayPal guys. And this is the article I'd like to show you guys, because this is true way, legitimate way to make money guys. $100 first for just 1500 guys, but it's not, it's just changed guys, just to 2200 guys. This is guys, come over this website. I also leave a link below guys, every website I shown in this video guys. Just to click and go to this website and read whatever you want to go guys. Just to read guys about the rules and regulation, get right to right guys. And I show how you can get some of the articles easily guys, just as I told you earlier, copy and paste and get paid $100 guys. This is the articles, and this is main focus. You can focus guys. Listverse also publish only 3 new articles per day guys, and they can get hundreds of lists per day guys. This is tough competition, not a tough competition guys. 100 of out of 3 guys, just to make a clickbait guys, clickbait list, and you can easily upload guys. Make a clickbait and get paid guys easily guys. Just to copy paste, I show you how to you can get paid a copy paste guys. I show the articles website. You can just copy paste and change a little bit because it's something copyrighted. Show how it's work, and you can make some good amount of money with this guys. I show how it's work. And just as I told you earlier guys, just remind this guys, 3 new articles every day Listverse is publishing guys, not another guys. 3 website, if you put some good quality and clickbait website, you can easily get paid guys. That's the rules for Listverse guys. Just to put clickbaity and get paid easily guys. As I told you earlier, how you can get articles and how you can get any ideas to make $100 per day guys. This is his article factory.com guys. This is the article factory.com. You can get article for free guys, and it's not like a free articles guys, just a article idea. And I show the trick, you can get free article from this guys. CC method, just come over this guys. First you need to register your email, your name with your email address guys. Just click author name, it's like author guys. If you want to write, you can create guys. Just to go choose home guys, just to click home guys, it's automatic home to home page guys. And you can choose whatever niche you want to guys. I choose entertainment guys, because it's like clickbait entertainment guys. And you can easily copy paste guys. Just to copy paste whatever you niche you want guys. Just as a famous musical you should watch guys, just to click this article, is automatically pop up guys. This is the article guys, just to copy paste easily guys. And just article credit your author guys. This is a important, credit your author name here guys, last of from the below guys, below the list guys. And easy guys, just to copy this one guys, just to copy as much as you can. Control C guys for copy, or Command C for Mac guys. Just to go to docgoogle.com guys. I leave a link below also, or you can search Google Docs, you can easily find this guys. Just to come over here, control V guys, so automatically paste your article here guys. Just to make it little bit change guys, just to read it how it's work, and just change little bit guys, and just for theater just fans change a little bit guys. I can make not any copyrighted list guys, because it's something big problem. Just to change a little bit and get some idea and write some good article and make some good amount of money, like $100 guys. It's easy, just to copy paste as I told you earlier, or you can just to google it guys. Just to google it and make some clickbaity easily guys, just as I told. Go here guys, just to go to Google here, 10 most viral video, type guys. Just to type it like this guys. This is a sample example for you guys. You can type whatever you want to guys. Just to click this one guys, this is the top of the result. Just to click and copy paste this and change a little bit guys. As I told you earlier, you can not allow for just to copy paste and exactly what a content you get from guys. Not copy paste exactly guys, just to change a little bit guys, as your wish. Just change a little bit guys, because you don't want to get any copyrighted guys. Just to change it little bit and get paid some good amount of money guys. This is most viral video guys, just as I told you earlier guys. This is some music guys, Britain Got Talent, some of you status and get paid some. This is like a clickbait option guys, because people are wonder how video making good amount of views and how video got go viral. Some of the clickbaity titles and thumbnails guys, you can easily upload by Listverse guys. This is a simple method, you can make $100 guys. At least you can put 10 article per day, just copy and paste. You can get highly chances for upload by Listverse guys. You can make some amount of money guys. It's a good amount of money guys. You can probably make some good amount of money, and you can save that money and get invest in big company like Shopify or Dividends or anything whatever you wish guys. Just so you can get paid good guys. And I hope this video helps you a lot to make money guys. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe button, like, share and comment below guys. I'll catch you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.